you will get what you want. Everything you desire is already present. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach, and today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. And that's what this channel is all about. It's about fulfilling your dreams and your goals, whether they be in business or personal finance or health or love or relationships. It's about your dreams and your goals through personal empowerment and the law of attraction. Be sure and subscribe and click the bell icon. Now, I made a bold statement. Everything you desire is already present, and you have the power to get what you desire right now. But there's a secret to this, and I'm going to share it with you in a moment. But first, go with me in this little imaginary journey. We're going back in time. Farther back in time. And here we are at the primordial point. Everything is present in this primordial point. All the planets, all the stars, your dreams, your hopes, the new car that you desire. Everything is already here. And then boom, the Big Bang. And the universe expands. And everything continues to grow and expand. And so the universe has within it everything you desire. The relationship you desire is already present within the universe. Oh, let me repeat that. The relationship that you crave from the person you desire is already present within the universe. Because as the universe expanded and exploded, it created a multitude of timelines and a multitude of vibrations. Now think about this. Most of us see something. We see it with our eyes, and then we say, I want that. Want indicates lack. It indicates that you do not have. But the truth of the matter is, the love that you want, the money you desire, the health you need, everything is already present in your life right now. Say that with me. Everything that I desire is present in my life right now. It's simply that you haven't unlocked the door to allow it to become present in your reality, okay? But it's in your life. So how do you unlock that door? How do you open that window to allow that reality to become present in your life? By moving from the state of want to the state of have. You see, take a deep breath with me. Let's pause. When you reach the point, when you are certain that you already have, then you move outside of the state of want and you move into the state of have. The vibration of have is much higher and much bolder than the state of want. It's a faster, cleaner moving energy. And so the universe matches up that energy because you've shifted. We call it a shift. You've shifted into the state of I have. You know, that's what it really means to be present in present time, to focus on your breath. It means to get in touch with I have. And then once you realize that you have, it becomes obvious that you are. I am. I am a dream vacation in the Caribbean. I am a new home in Aspen, Colorado. I am new increased vibrancy and health. I am an incredible relationship with the person that I love. You realize it's already present. It's here right now. It always has been. Think about this for a moment. A songwriter, over the course of, let's say, 20 years, will write 20 hit singles. Where are those songs right now? Looking 20 years into the future, where are those songs right now? They're already present. They're already written. What the songwriter needs to do is to open up to unlimited possibilities and present time reality. And all of a sudden, the songwriter will begin to see the songs. They'll begin to play instantly in his or her head. It's remarkable. Michelangelo, the great artist, said, "I didn't carve the statue of David. David was already in the statue. I merely removed the excess." That's huge, high flyers. I mean, that really is. Because you need to understand this. Michelangelo removed the excess. He knew David was already there. He could see that David was already in that piece of marble. There was nothing else there. It was David. When you realize that within the marble of your life, the love you desire, the money you desire, the health you need, everything is already present right now. Be present. Be present right now. So if you desire to attract or unlock what is already present, you have to be in present moment. You have to move from the state of want to the state of knowingness. I know. Write it down below. I know. Take a deep breath. I know. I know. We used to do very lengthy 48 hours, 72 hours meditations and magical rituals. And when you'd come out of the session, you'd look at other people who were doing it with you, and they'd look at you and you just shake your head and go, I know. I know. I know. It's present right now. Everything you desire is present right now. Everything that you have ever wanted is within your grasp right now. Open up to it and accept it and begin living it. Have a great day now because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.